Hello student, this is Sheetal teacher here, and in this video we are going to continue with the next part of the Arunima's story. In previous videos we have seen that she had an incident where she had to cut off her leg, and during her recovery in AIMS hospital at Delhi, she had decided that she is going to climb up the Mount Everest with her cut leg. Now in this part of the story we are going to see whether she will be success in her ambition or not, and who helped her. Okay, so let's start with the next part of the lesson story. Now you can open your page number 31, the last paragraph. We will start from the last paragraph. Arunima Simone Courage and made Bachendri Pal the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest for advice. Now, what she did, she met the lady. What is the name of the lady? Bachendri Pal. And who is Bachendri Pal? Bachendri Pal is the first Indian woman who climbed the Mount Everest, and she went her for the advice. Now you can see in this picture Bachendri Pal, who had got the Padma Bhushan award in 2019. She went her for the advice, and the meaning of this woman here is to be present, or we can say the meaning here in our story is given to gather the courage, to collect the courage, means somehow she built up her courage and she went to Bachendri Pal for her advice that how she could climb up the Mount Everest. Okay, now see, Bachendri Pal is an Indian mountaineer who in 1984 became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. She was awarded the third highest civilian award, that is Padma Bhushan by Government of India in 2019. Now, as Arunima went to her, what advice she had given to Arunima, we will continue with the next slide. Till this slide we have seen on page number 31. Let's continue with page number 32. Bachendri Pal told Arunima, in this condition, you have made such a huge decision. Which condition was she talking here? She was talking that Arunima is dreaming to climb up the mountain with her cut leg. Okay, so she said, the Bachendri Pal said that you have taken a huge decision. Okay, now nextly what she said, know that you have already conquered your inner Everest. Means Bachendri Pal say, by looking at you, while talking with you, I came to know that you have already conquered your inner Everest. Conquered means what here? Conquered means overcome. Again, one request, student, while I am reading, it is requested you should put your finger in your textbook. Okay, so what Bachendri Pal said, know that you have already conquered your inner Everest, means you have already overcome from all the problems you have faced. Now you need to climb up mountain only to show the world what you are made of. Then what she said, now you have decided, you have already overcome all the problems you had. Now it is only to climb up the mountain to show the world that what are you and why are you made of. On receiving an encouraging response, Arunima signed up for training under Bachendri Pal at the Uttarakanshi camp of the Tata Steel Adventurous Foundation in 2012. Okay, so Arunima received lots of encouraging response from Bachendri Pal, and afterwards she had decided and she signed up the training under Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal was running the Tata Steel Adventure Foundation. It is in Uttarakanshi, and she was started her training with her. As a part of her training, she had to climb smaller mountains, which include the island's peak. Means during the practice or during the part of training, she had climbed up small mountains also. Okay, so this was the thought which was going on in Arunima's mind when she was climbed up the Mount Everest. Means she was climbing up the Mount Everest, and all these incidents were moving in front of her eyes. And suddenly someone says, "All fine, Arunima." So suddenly she hear a voice, "All fine, Arunima." It was the it was Sushen Meheto, the instructor of Arunima. So now just have put your finger and read the next paragraph. This time it was the concerned voice of her instructor Sushen Meheto. Concern means he was caring of Arunima. And who was this? He was the instructor of Arunima, and the name of the instructor is Sushen Meheto, which broke into her thoughts. Means because of the talk, or because he called Arunima, Arunima broke his her thought, and she came out from that thought back. Sushen was accompanying her on the Everest mission as a part of the Eco Everest expeditions sponsored by the Tata Group. So Sushen was also climbed up the Mount Everest with Arunima. What she said to Sushen? She said, "Yes, Sushen, I am fine." Brave words, for as she entered what is known as death zone. Okay. Now, when she was talking with Sushen, this was the place which is called as a death zone in Mount Everest. And at that particular location, which is called as a death zone, she said, "I am absolutely fine." 8,000 meters above the sea level, means at that time they were 8,000 meters above, means they had climbed up 8,000 meters up the Mount Everest. Her legs were refusing to her, means her legs were not able to walk more, but still she was walking. The death zone was no name, as it has climbed the lives of many aspiring mountaineers. Okay, why the particular place has given the name of death zone? Because at that particular point so many mountaineers had been dead. She was almost numb with pain, and each step was an effort as her artificial limb posed new problems one after another. Means at that 8,000 meter above from the sea level, it was really difficult to Arunima to climb up the rest part of the mountain, and her artificial leg was refusing her. It was creating a lots of problem to Arunima to climb up the rest part of the mountain. The terrain became very dangerous and difficult. The terrain became very dangerous and difficult. Terrain means here the land with a particular physical features. Means you can imagine a location which is 8,000 meter above from the sea level, means it is completely icy, sloping. So the terrain means the actual particular physical structure of the land, and it was becoming very dangerous and difficult to climb up the rest part of the mountain. She saw dead bodies half buried in the ice, remaining her of those who had failed to reach their goal. And at that particular location, she saw so many dead bodies. She saw those dead bodies were buried in the ice, and they were reminding that they had failed to reach their goals. But at this moment, also, she did not lose her confidence. Okay, so here you can see the image. The red line shows that it is the 8,000 meter from the sea level above, and the above part is मतलब this particular location is called as a death zone, and the above part rest they were trying to climb up. Okay, and this particular picture shows the slope which is above the death zone. Okay, and this is what where she found so many buried uh, dead bodies, half buried dead bodies, and this is what the slope you can just see in the picture, that it is very difficult and dangerous. Afterwards, next thing, seeing her struggle, the Sherpa again spoke. Means the Sherpa was also accompanying her, her assistant. Madam, we should turn back. Means when they were on a dead zone, they saw lots of dead bodies. The slope was very difficult. At that moment, Sherpa says, "Ma'am, we should turn back." That time Arunima said, "No, that's not an option." Means she was very much confident that I am not going to give up now. At any cost, at any condition, I am going to climb up at the peak of the mountain. Arunima replied, "I want to complete the climb today itself." What she said, today only I am going to reach the peak of the mountain. Her artificial leg was constantly troubling her as it cut into flesh in her legs. Means while she was walking, because of the artificial leg, she had a cut into the on her leg. Sharp ridges rose over the icy slope before her. Means the sharp ridges of the icy slope, they were creating a lots of problem in front of her. But she was still very confirm, and she was very firm about her decision, and she had decided herself that for any reason she is not going to give up. She must climb up over them step by step. One false move and she could fall into a deep crevasse below. Means she was overcoming one problem after one problem after one problem, and it has been said that any small mistake done by her, it might be fall her into a crevasse below. She took a deep breath and pressed on. Means she took a deep breath and she again started to climb up. Now crevasse means what here? Crevasse means deep crack on in rock or ice. So you can see in this picture there is a deep crack in the ice. Sorry.